Is it safe to travel with advanced parole under this administration? What I'm going to say applies to anybody who qualifies for advanced parole. So this could be somebody who's going through the green card process, somebody who has DACA, somebody who has TPS, somebody who has an asylum application pending. So overall, I would say that you have to be cautious about traveling under advanced parole. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't go or that you can't go and that you won't be let back in. But on the actual approval notice of advanced parole documents, it does actually say this does not guarantee entry into the US, and that essentially it's at the discretion of the Customs and Border Officer to decide if they want to let you in. Now, so far, as of the recording of this video, it's January 31st, 2025. I have not had any clients be denied entry who have traveled on an advanced parole document. But again, I have always said this, even before Trump was president, I've always told clients of that potential risk of not being able to be let back in, and that ultimately it's up to them to decide if that risk is worth them traveling. For some people, for example, somebody who has DACA and who gets advanced parole and traveling outside of the US could be a huge benefit because that will allow them to then apply for a green card in the US. For other people, it might just simply be that they want to go on a vacation and that's why they want to travel outside of the US. So again, you have to weigh the risks and benefits of traveling and if it works for your situation and whether or not you're willing to take that risk. I will never come on here and say that it's 100% guarantee that if you apply for advanced parole and you get it and you travel, you'll be let back in, because ultimately there is that small risk. It's a decision that you have to make and whether the risk is worth the benefit that you're going to get from leaving the US and coming back on the advanced parole. There are so many uncertainties right now, and I know that people are really worried about things, and a lot of changes have happened. That is very true. But a lot of it is we have to wait and see how a lot of these policies are going to shake out and how they're going to be put into action. So I will be here to keep you posted, so make sure you like and follow.